My name is Michael Marinelli, and I'm a product director at Equinix focused on our IBX SmartView product line. IBX SmartView is a DCIM or Data Center Infrastructure Management SaaS application, providing near real-time access to environmental and power draw information and operating data oriented to each customer's footprint in an IBX data center. Available through the Equinix customer portal, IBX SmartView provides deep insights into the operating status of key infrastructure systems with constantly updated data and fully configurable near real-time notifications. In this video, I'll be talking about new capabilities made available in IBX SmartView 2020.2, which will expand and build on the work we delivered in the last release. The capabilities are a new maintenance history page, which builds on the maintenance activities and scripts pages we recently launched. Improved user controls, giving users the ability to disable system alert push notifications during active maintenances, and an improved streamlined workflow to open a trouble ticket from within IBX SmartView. These new capabilities reflect some of our 2020 roadmap objectives, namely to integrate critical asset maintenance information within IBX SmartView and a complete rebuild of the IBX SmartView user experience. Building on the maintenance integration work delivered in our previous release around maintenance activity and maintenance scripts, we are now adding a maintenance history page. On this page, users can sort and filter by IBX, asset type, asset instance, date, or manufacturer to locate a set of assets, and then view the maintenance history for each asset, including a start and end timestamp for each activity. This release also features an important enhancement to the system alert settings page that was launched in our last release. Users can easily filter and sort system alerts, and now they can use a bulk action command to disable or enable near real-time notifications from being sent when they're triggered during an active maintenance event. System alerts triggering during active maintenance events is expected and normal. Now, this user experience enhancement gives users even more control over the quantity and urgency of the system alert notifications that they receive. Finally, in this release, we have streamlined the process for an IBX SmartView user to create a trouble ticket from within IBX SmartView. A user may wish to alert the IBX staff or customer care to an availability issue with their colocation services with a trouble ticket. Now, when the user clicks a link to open a trouble ticket, Modal will open with pre-populated data. The user can enter a problem description in the free text field and then submit it. Or the user can choose to navigate to the Equinix customer portal and open a trouble ticket manually. Thanks for watching.